With so many employees on the road or working remotely, communication is more important and complex than ever before. So without a reliable hosted PBX provider, you'll lose money and potential customers. A typical call can look like this.
Willie's Widgets, how may I help?
I need a salesperson right away. I'd like to order 1 million of your finest widgets.
All of our salespeople are on the road right now. Can I get someone to call you back? Or, if you have a pen, I can give you a cell phone number. Hello? Not again!
A typical call looks like this.
Willie's Widgets, how may I help?
I need a salesperson right away. I'd like to order 1 million of your finest widgets.
I'll transfer you immediately, sir.
Doug here. How can I help?
The problem is that a traditional PBX system is expensive, requiring a lot of hardware and ongoing maintenance, and the monthly rates can be astronomical. For a powerful, reliable phone system without all the hassle and at a fraction of the cost, we host and maintain the equipment at our site, so you get a seamless business communication system that is virtually hardware-free and requires no maintenance. And unlike the traditional systems, a hosted PBX system saves you money, is so easy to set up, and has many excellent features. Transform the way your business communicates.